Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant meadow, there lived two very special insects. One was Bee, recognized for her golden stripes, and the other was Ant, known for her remarkable strength. Both had their own unique skills and worked tirelessly every day. Bee, with her gentle wings, would flutter from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar to make honey. She always hummed a happy tune as she worked, believing that every drop she collected contributed to the wellness of her hive. Ant, on the other hand, climbed tall grasses and carried heavy leaves to build up her colony. She was proud of her strength and often reminded herself that every little grain mattered for her community's survival. One sunny morning, Bee encountered Ant while resting on a flower. Ant paused and admired Bee's wings, noticing how swiftly they moved. "Oh, Bee," said Ant, "how beautifully you soar in the sky. I only wish I could move as freely as you do." Bee smiled kindly, "And I admire your strength, dear Ant. You achieve what seems impossible with your steadfast determination." As days passed, both learned from each other. Bee gained strength from carrying leaves with Ant, and Ant learned to glide slightly when jumping from grass stem to stem. One day, the meadow was hit by a fierce storm. The rain poured heavily, threatening the homes of the insects. Bee and Ant quickly gathered their friends to work together, inspired by their shared skills. Bee used her newfound strength to collect materials quickly, while Ant used her gliding to reach high places and secure their homes. After hours of effort, the storm finally calmed. Their combined strengths had saved the meadow community, and all were grateful. As the sun returned, Bee turned to Ant and said, "Through faith and teamwork, we've learned that our abilities can create miracles." Ant nodded in agreement. "Indeed," she said, "when we have faith in ourselves and each other, there's nothing we cannot overcome." And so, Bee and Ant continued to work side by side, always keeping faith as their guiding light. Together, they proved that strength, perseverance, and faith could blossom into incredible feats. And the meadow thrived evermore. The end.